to wisely live your life. You don't need to know much, just remember two main rules for the beginning. You better starve, then eat whatever, and better be alone than with whoever. Don't cry upon the losses, don't measure today with tomorrows, don't trust a past and coming day, believe in now, and be happy today. Be happy for this moment. This moment is your life. How sad. A heart that does not know how to love, that does not know what it is to be drunk with love. If you are not in love, how can you enjoy the blinding light of the sun, the soft light of the moon? As far as you can avoid it, do not give grief to anyone. Never inflict your rage on another. If you hope for eternal rest, feel the pain yourself, but don't hurt others. Realize this. One day your soul will depart from your body and you will be drawn behind the curtain that floats between us and the unknown. While you wait for that moment, be happy. Because you don't know where you came from and you don't know where you will be going. Dead yesterdays and unborn tomorrows. Why fret about it, if today be sweet? Men talk of heaven. There is no heaven but here. Men talk of hell. There is no hell but here. Men of hereafters talk in future lives. Oh love, there is no other life but here. To be free of belief and unbelief is my religion. I came like water, and like wind I go.